Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning in. My name's Royce, and today we're going to be talking about Frame.io's new app update for macOS. And if you guys aren't familiar with Frame.io, it's pretty much a video review collaboration tool where you and an editor can collaborate on videos over the internet by submitting to their site. And here, I'll open up this window here so you can kind of see an example. So you guys can upload footage to the site, and over here you can actually leave timestamped comments. You can draw on the video itself and be like, change this thing over here. There's a lot of stuff you guys can do, and you can do all this over the internet, so you don't have to worry about calling each other or trying to figure it out, trying to figure out times where both you and whoever you're working with is available. So it uploads very similar to, say, like Dropbox or Google Drive, but the tools available to you are a lot more powerful. So that's Frame.io in a nutshell, and again, check out their site if you want to know more. But this video will specifically talk about Frame.io's version 2 update for macOS, which moves everything straight to the menu bar to make everything a lot more convenient. And I'll show you here. You'll see Frame.io's logo right here, and if you click on that, you now have this very useful window where, one, there's two tabs. First tab, recent uploads, and you can see here these are my most recent video uploads. And the next tab over is what they're calling watch folders. And pretty much what that is you can select a specific shared folder from either your drive or on your computer, and it will link to Frame.io. So whenever you drop a video file or any type of file into that folder, it'll automatically be uploaded to Frame.io's site. So that's what they're calling watch folders. So right here, I can actually show you. This is my watch folder here that I set up here. So anytime I drop a video here, or if I export out of Final Cut or whatever editing software you're using, it gets exported into here and then will automatically be uploaded. And I can actually show you real quick. I can drag this video over here, drop it into the shares folder, bam. And then if we go over here, it should, there you go, see? It automatically starts uploading that video, which makes it super convenient. Now you don't have to worry about opening up an app, dragging and dropping in that sense, things like that. And I know I drag and drop from my desktop, but if you're exporting from your editing software, you don't even have to think about it. It'll just automatically start uploading in the background. Don't have to think about nothing. And while we're waiting for the upload to finish, one of Frame.io's new features that they're touting with this new update is that their upload speeds, they say, are 5 times faster than the competitors. I haven't actually tested that yet, but I can say the upload speeds are really fast. And I've even tried it in hotel rooms and things like that, and yeah, it's pretty good. Cool, so now the video is done uploading, and if we go over here back to the site, if I hit refresh, we should see, cool, and we also get a notification that shows that it's completed, which is nice. So we should see, yep, there we go. So this is the clip. You can see here, Sinbad and Victor Wooten. And this is actually a little docu-series that I've been working on this past week following Sinbad, the comedian, and bass player Victor Wooten, I should say bass legend Victor Wooten, on a collaborative tour that they did, with, which was really awesome to witness. So yeah, so if you guys were wondering, that's what all this is. So what's also really cool about watch folders is that, you know, if you're using Final Cut or Adobe Premiere, the app is actually integrated into the software, so you can export out of those editing software straight to Frame.io. But what the watch folders does is, in a way, kind of negates having to have that ability to where now you can export out of any editing software that you use into your shared or watch folder, and it does pretty much the same thing as if it was actually integrated into that software. So that's another reason why you might want to consider utilizing this just for that fact. Now, to set up a watch folder is really simple. You just hit the add button and you select which folder you want. So let's just navigate to something else. Go here. Cool, set that. So hit open, and then now we select a project. So these are my projects here that I have. We'll select this one. And we have the choice to upload subfolders, upload files as private, and we just click add. And since I just added that right away, you'll see it'll now start uploading the file that was in that folder. So now when I start adding other video files to that folder, it'll automatically upload to the site. Now say there's just a file that you want to upload that's not in a watch folder or anything like that. You can just upload anything that you want just by clicking this upload button here, and then navigate to whatever file it is. So it just makes uploading to Frame.io really simple. It's right here in the menu bar. It's always here. You can set up watch folders for automatic background uploads. You can check on your recent uploads. And if you see here this little arrow next to a video, if you click on that, it'll actually take you to the site. Wait for that to load, but it'll take you to your actual project where you can view it and start making comments. You can also hit this X to clear it out. Bam. And then once it's clear, you'll see there's an actual just upload button right there where you can hit that and start uploading stuff that way. So the only real issue I've come across in the new app update is a situation when, say, your computer starts up, Frame.io launches, and you don't have your hard drive connected yet. If you go over to your watch folders, you'll see here, watch folder missing, obviously, because I have it linked to folders on my drive. So let me plug that back in, and then you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, so now that my drive has popped up, what I was hoping for was that the app would be able to read that my drive is now plugged in and relink these files automatically. But you see here, it doesn't do it. So your first thought is, okay, cool. There's this thing that says relink. Let me just relink it. So you click that and you click on here, just kind of like how you initially set everything up. All right, cool. This is my folder. Hit open. Awesome. All right. It's relinked. Hit done. Cool. You think everything's good. But then if you look over here, uploading 7 files, and if we go to recent uploads, it's now re-uploading every single file in that folder. And obviously we don't want that. So when that first happened to me, that was very frustrating. And now you got to go over here and hit pause, and then you're trying to get the X to pop up, close it all out before you have 30 different copies of the same upload file. Come on, quit. So that was a little frustrating trying to figure that out. You see here we have this issue with this folder as well. But a way to work around it is just simply go over to settings, quit Frame.io, and then when you relaunch it, go to watch folders, everything's relinked. So there's definitely a workaround for it, but if you don't know to quit the app to get the actual relink to happen, that relink button that we saw is very confusing because you think, okay, just click that, relink, everything's good, but it's not. It does relink the file, but then it treats it as if you just set up the file for the very first time and will try to upload every single file in that shared folder again, like it's brand new. So that's just something to be aware of when that happens to you guys. So yeah, that's the new app update in a nutshell. If you're wondering if exporting straight from, say, Final Cut in my case is any different, it's pretty much still the same. Got here, you have your options, Frame.io source or H.264. Hit that, listen to media, don't worry about that. And hit next. And you have the option, this has actually been redesigned a little bit. You have the option to export the entire timeline or just selected clips. And you can select which project you want straight from here. Select this and just hit upload. And that wraps this video up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful at all, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any other further questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'll try and get back to all you guys and answer as many questions as possible. But yeah, that's it. Until next time, thank you guys so much. Again, my name is Royce, and catch y'all later.